Rising material costs, freight costs, CO2 emissions, more online purchases and home deliveries. So we asked ourselves, is there a lighter, more efficient, more sustainable, and user-friendly way to produce, transport, store, deliver, and install resilient flooring? There is now. Say hello to Liteback. Lightweight, heavy impact. A Liteback floor starts production much like a standard resilient floor. The magic happens when the Liteback grooves are milled on the underside, creating a product that's up to 20% lighter and that allows the removed material to be recycled. The lighter planks allow for more planks per package, which means fewer boxes and easy-to-handle, efficient transport, storage, and delivery. Liteback not only saves grams, it saves your business money, saves on raw materials, and helps save the planet. So how can such a small change make such a big impact? Liteback removes material that can be reused to produce more floors, resulting in a reduction of raw material consumption, leading to savings in purchasing costs and fewer deliveries to the factory. Liteback's weight reduction has a positive knock-on effect on the whole supply chain journey. More flooring per loads means saving in containers, trucks, and shipping costs, and less chance of delays. The advantages don't stop there. More Liteback flooring can be stored on distributor shelves. That's more available stock for consumers who will surely appreciate that weight reduction when loading their car, or the courier when home delivering, and the installer when lifting the boxes. Shh, there's one more thing. Liteback floors can help reduce noise levels. The Liteback numbers speak for themselves. Liteback, a leaner, greener alternative.